Hey, my name is Petteri Silvennoinen from Silver Racing, and today I'm gonna show you how easy is to insert air mousse on your wheel. Okay, first of all we take mousse out from the box. The mousse is coming out from plastic pack. And really important part, don't throw the carton box away before you take the mousse grease. Here is the mousse and here is the mousse grease. Really big part of durability of your mousse is that you have enough mousse grease inside your tire. You will empty it complete. After that you need a brush, just a normal brush. You make it so that it comes all over the tire. After that we can insert the mousse in. I give always a little bit pressure so the tire will open. It's more easy to slide it in. Important part to put the mousse on your wheel is to have a correct tools. You will need a tire stand. We have a rapaconda, and then you need proper tire irons. The first step start put your tire on the wheel is to check the rotation, which direction the wheel is spinning. And normally you will find the mark on your wheel from here. Next we're gonna put a little bit soap on the tire, this side of the tire, so it slides much easier on the wheel. When the disc is down, it will spin this way. Always start from the down. You put the first side over. This can make your work a little bit more easy. Then you don't need to keep it with your knee. You tie it here and then the tire stays on the place. After that we start using tire irons. I always put like a 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Then you get a good pressure on it. And take always small steps, then you don't need a lot of power. If you need a lot of power, normally you do something wrong. Now the first side of the tire is on the wheel. After that we push the mousse in the middle like this, and after that we can put a little bit soap this side of the tire. I start normally with the one iron like here, and then start to going forward step by step. Now it starts to slide in already. So we can take the last iron off. And with the small steps. More close you get here, more tight it will get. And then we start to play a little bit, maybe push a little bit the tire down from this side. Let's see if it's necessary or not. Now we need to push the tire down a little bit from here. I will hold with my leg. Now it slides a little bit down. Next step is to check that the tire is on all the way. You can push a little bit with the air pressure, and then normally the tire is jumping back on the wheel.